Bow windows are a beautiful way to enhance your Lafayette home. Their graceful curve, multiple glass panels, and ability to extend outward create a stunning focal point while bringing in abundant natural light. But because bow windows project beyond your home's exterior wall, they require careful structural planning to ensure safety, durability, and long-term performance. If you're considering installing bow windows in Lafayette, understanding the structural considerations involved will help you make a confident and informed decision. Supporting the extended design, unlike flat windows, bow windows extend outward in a curved shape made up of 4 or more window panels. This projection adds architectural interest, but it also adds weight. Proper structural support is essential. The installation team must evaluate whether the existing wall framing can support the new bow window or if reinforcement is needed. In many cases, additional framing or support brackets are installed to distribute the weight evenly. In Lafayette's climate, where humidity and seasonal storms are common, secure anchoring ensures long-term stability and resistance to shifting. Assessing load-bearing walls before installation begins, professionals determine whether the window opening is located in a load-bearing wall. Load-bearing walls help support the structure of your home, so modifying them requires careful planning. If structural adjustments are necessary, a properly sized header may be installed above the window opening to support the load. This ensures that your home's structural integrity remains intact while accommodating the new bow window. Ensuring proper weatherproofing. Lafayette experiences heavy rain and high humidity throughout the year. Because bow windows extend outward, they are more exposed to the elements than traditional windows. Proper flashing and waterproofing are critical. Installers apply moisture barriers and sealants around the window frame to prevent water intrusion. Without proper sealing, water can seep into the wall cavity, leading to mold growth or structural damage over time. A well-installed bow window includes layered protection against moisture infiltration. Managing insulation and energy efficiency. Structural considerations also affect energy performance. Any gaps between the window frame and wall opening must be properly insulated to prevent air leakage. Professionals use expanding foam insulation and high-quality sealants to create an airtight fit. This is especially important in Lafayette, where maintaining indoor comfort during hot summers is a priority. Proper insulation ensures your new bow window enhances both appearance and efficiency. Roof and overhang considerations. Depending on the size and placement of the bow window, additional structural elements may be considered. For larger installations, some homeowners opt for a small roof or overhang above the window for added protection and aesthetic appeal. Incorporating this feature requires coordination between structural framing and exterior finishing to maintain proper drainage and weather resistance. Interior structural adjustments. Inside the home, bow windows often create additional floor space. Many homeowners choose to add built-in seating or storage beneath the window. Before adding interior features, installers ensure that the base structure is properly supported. This guarantees the added space is both functional and structurally sound. Professional installation is key because bow windows involve structural modifications. They are not a simple DIY project. Working with experienced professionals ensures accurate measurements, proper load calculations, secure anchoring, effective weatherproofing. Compliance with local building codes. In Lafayette, where weather conditions demand durable construction, expert installation protects both your home and your investment. A beautiful upgrade built on strong foundations. Bow windows can dramatically transform your Lafayette home, enhancing curb appeal, increasing natural light, and creating additional living space. But their beauty depends on proper structural planning. By addressing support, load distribution, insulation, and weatherproofing from the start, you ensure your bow window performs reliably for years to come. When installed with careful attention to structural detail, bow windows offer not only elegance but also long-lasting strength, making them a smart and stunning addition to your Lafayette home.